We're going to make peas. Okay, so the kitchen is here. It's outside. So we've got our water, and we've got our pot, and we've got our peas. So these ones are Tally's Tender Garden peas, 100% grown in New Zealand. So just turn this on. That's 140. Grab the water. So I'm going to bring the water to boil, and then once it's all bubbling, I'm going to add the peas. This is my little kitchen. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now this is peas. So try not to get in trouble for dealing this, because my ex-husband got in trouble for dealing pea. But I think the government confused it with peas. So yeah, we're going to deal peas. It's not illegal. It's just a vegetable. So the water is boiling, and so now we're going to add the peas and boil them. And we'll just wait for the peas to float to the surface, and then yeah, they'll be ready to eat. Oh, gorgeous. Whoever thought? Just beautiful peas. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. Here's my peas. Bowl of peas. Like this. I'm going to eat it. Just stay there. Peas. You're eating peas. "100% peas, New Zealand peas with salt. Good for you. Always eat your greens." Tastes buttery. Like this. Yummy. Perfect. Perfect peas. Peace out.